The historic Route 66 brought countless dreams to California. Near the end of the legendary strip of pavement that twisted across the country, the foothill city of San Bernardino hosts this annual event. Car lovers came from all over the Southwest for one of the greatest car shows in the country. The downtown streets are reserved for hot rods and classic cars of all kinds. The glory days of hot rodding are relived during this 4-day cruise and car show on the historic Route 66.
Hi, my name is Bob Benter. This is a 57 Fairlane 500. I have the original 312 Y block in it, and I have the dual quad system, which is pretty unique. We're running around about 310 horsepower in this. I have the original Ford-O-Matic in it, and basically what I like about this car hobby is the people. The people are super because everybody has the same interests. It's a blast. And one unique thing about this tonight, or this weekend I should say, is exactly 40 years ago I came down E Street with my mom and dad from Wisconsin all the way down Route 66, so that's pretty unique. This is quite a night for me. Tell me a little bit about
My car is a 67 Camaro Rally Sport 427. I've owned the car since it was 5 years old. Had it through high school, street raced it, drag raced it. It's a Chevy L88 Corvette 427 with aluminum heads. It's about 13-to-1 compression with a solid lifter camshaft. Horsepower is somewhere between 550 and 600 horsepower. Then we just did a frame-off restoration on it last year, finished it, and we're here at the Route 66 car show now. I did my first engine when I was 13, and from there I knew I wanted to be that. I love building engines. That's what I do as a hobby, and just have enjoyed it all my life.
My name is Bo Morris. I'm from Buena Park, California. I'm down here in wonderful San Bernardino for the Route 66 cruise. Lots of nice cars, good people. And car behind me is my 65 Nova, 396 stroker small block, running alcohol with the BDS 871 supercharger. This is probably my third or fourth cruise, and each one has been as spectacular as the last. I've been in cars by the time most kids could learn how to ride an actual two-wheel bike. I could actually, work on a carburetor or, change a tire.